The year 2021 saw household debt jump to a massive $15 trillion in America alone. Alliance One, a global debt collection agency, wanted to adopt a data-driven debtor contact strategy to optimize collection of overdue payments. The corporation had around 25,000 consumers with a cumulative debt of $40 to $45 million. Findability Sciences, an award-winning enterprise AI company, helped them formulate an AI-based propensity score model to optimize their telecalling so they could prioritize and call the most likely payers first. The solution was divided into two phases. Findability.ai introduced its multi-modeling predictive technology to rank every debtor in order of high to low propensity to pay score. Using payment propensity scores, a contact strategy was devised for the daily permissible number of calls after fine-tuning D&D contacts. The terrific AI-driven debtor contact strategy helped the corporation record 20 to 30% year-over-year uplift in collections consistently over a period of 2 years. 20% increase in collections. Over 40% in financial ROI for 2021.
I've been working with Sanjay and his team for almost 2 years. Sanjay had a team in place and really put forth all this data I had into, hey, here's what we found. And that's when I got sold on Findability because, again, I can have an analyst say, hey, Findability had a really good process to spit out what's going to drive our propensity to pay. It's been great working with Findability. I really enjoy it. They provide me weekly updates to our strategy. They work with my dialer manager and my person analyst to keep the information flowing and then showing me when things are going good and when things are rough and coming up with solutions.
It's been a pleasure to work with the team at Alliance One. We have built a very strong partnership and understanding with them. We are doing for Alliance One not only the predictive analytics in terms of propensity to pay for their collections for credit cards, but also we are converting that into a prescriptive analytics. This has resulted in measurable ROI for them, a financial impact for their customers, which is in terms of increased collections as well as increased revenue for Alliance One.
Want to know more about how AI can shape the future of debt collections? For every traditional enterprise, there is a Findability Sciences solution.